Today, I want to share something special, something I've been watching closely for years, and I am most interested in the world price of this commodity. It's a precious metal you can hold, and dividend stock that's been quietly paying out massive income while still trading at levels that feel like a sale. This is a company that's not just mining gold and copper, but literally turning metal into cash flow and dividends. If you've ever dreamed of a stock that pays you while you sleep, this might be the one. Today we'll walk through why it matters. The dividend story, growth prospects, financial position, risk, valuation, and most importantly, whether today's price represents a real opportunity. Before we proceed, just a disclaimer, this content is for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. In today's video, we will be talking about Oceana Gold. Oceana Gold is not some risky venture. It's a global gold and copper miner with operations in key countries in the world like United States, New Zealand, and the Philippines. Over the past few years, it has transformed itself from a junior miner into a free cash flow generating machine, paying substantial dividends and buying back shares. When they started this project, their mission was simple: mine responsibly, grow reserves, return cash to shareholders. And that approach is starting to bear real fruit. Soon after IPO, Oceana Gold Philippines declared its first dividend with an annualized 22% yield. Yes, 22%. And this is based on the share price at that time. At one point in the third quarter of 2024, the annualized dividend yield hit over 20% based on share prices during that period. From fourth quarter of 2024 and into 2025, even with fluctuations, dividends continued, including a 14% annualized yield on the Q4 dividend. According to the most current financial listings, Oceana Gold Philippines currently pays an annualized dividend yielding around 6.5% based on recent prices. Still very attractive compared to most dividend stocks. That's a dramatic income story, especially compared to traditional dividend stocks where 3 to 5% is considered strong. It's like getting a paycheck from a gold mine. But the story of OGP does not end in dividends. You need to consider its growth potential and momentum. In 2025, Oceana Gold Philippines reported a record profits and strong revenue, driven by higher gold prices and production that met guidance. It ends the year with 77 million US dollars net income, more than double the prior year. Record average realized gold price helping revenue. This company is something rare when it comes to balance sheet. It has a zero debt in their financial report. And it's not just one region. The parent company has multiple global assets like US and New Zealand, all contributing to the top and bottom line. Here's what is wonderful about its cash flow. The company is free of debt in major operations. This only shows high financial stability, low risk, and greater flexibility, allowing the firm to avoid interest payments. It has been generating strong free cash flow, allowing it to both pay dividends and buy back shares. Solid cash balances and strong margins give it flexibility to weather downturns. This miner stands out by consistently turning metal into cash and sharing it with shareholders. But of course, no investment is without risk. The company is dependent purely on gold price. If gold price falls substantially, cash flow and dividends can be pressured. Gold prices are determined globally, hence, individual producers can do nothing with the prices. On operational risks, severe weather events can disrupt mining and production cycles. Especially in the Philippines, the typhoons visit the country every year. Next is political and regulatory conditions, especially relevant for operations in the Philippines, where regulatory changes can impact permits and costs. You've got to respect the risks, but acknowledge that risk and reward go hand in hand. Let's talk about the company's valuation. Right now, OceanaGold shares are pricing in a lot of uncertainty. But that means opportunity for patient investors who believe in number one, long-term gold demand, second, continued free cash flow, and dividend sustainability. When a stock floats 20 to 30% cheaper than the fair value because of near-term noise, it's worth paying attention, especially when the underlying business is healthy. OceanaGold Philippines DDPO mine, as of early 2026, holds approximately 1.13 million ounces of gold reserves, while 2026 production is expected to remain steady. Here are the takeaways of this video. If you believe in gold as a hedge against inflation and rising global wealth, next, if you want a dividend company that pays you to hold while the business grows, and lastly, if you're willing to think long-term and not just chase short-term price moves, then today's price level is worth taking a hard look at. Drop a comment below and let me know, have you invested in gold miners before? Or what do you think of the dividend yield story? Or are you buying while on sale? If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and click that bell so you can watch other value stock spotlight. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.